Okay, next we will talk about the different phases under this alternation of generation, right? So, different plant groups as well as individual, they represent different types of phase or life cycle or life pattern, right? So, we have three different types under this. So, that is haplontic life cycle, then we have diplontic life cycle and haplodiplontic life cycle, right? Let's talk about haplontic life cycle first. So you already can see here, you already know that haplontic life cycle, here the word haplontic, that basically contains haploids, right? So we can say that in this case the plants will have the haploidic phase will be more dominating, that is the gametophytic phase will be the more dominating one, and the complete plant body will consist of this or will carry this gametophytic phase, right? And how this happens, so here like the previous one which we did, it is similar to that. You get the zygote by the fusion and zygote is diploid, so that will be the only sporophytic phase since it is diploid. Rest, this zygote when undergoes meiosis, reductional division will happen, that will give rise to spores, that will be again haploid, and these spores when get mature they will give rise to gametophyte, and these gametophyte will further undergo mitosis to give rise to gametes, and these gametes when the plant requires to undergo reproduction, then these gametes will fuse, they will form zygote. This zygote will be of very short period, like this is only this will happen only when the reproduction is required, when the plant wants to multiply, right? Then the zygote comes, and this is for a short lifespan, like for a very short period of time, and again that will undergo meiosis, then spores will come, and this part is more dominant and longer as compared to the zygote. This will happen only when there is a requirement by the plant, right? And rest whole thing is haplontic phase, and the whole plant body in this case will be under gametophytic phase. So gametophytic phase is more dominant in this case, and this basically happens in most of the algae, right? So most of the algae, they survive as gametophytic plant body, right? Like you have Volvox, Spirogyra, few species under Chlamydomonas also.